Okay, here's how I'd go about it. Here's your original GIF that you attached to Talk Graphics. It's pretty small, so I've had to blow it up so we can actually have a look at the size of it. Okay, let's just enter some text first. We'll use the same text, American. Hit escape and just work with Times New Roman. Just use a serif font. It's not the same serif font that's used there, but you should get the idea. Then what I'll do is I'll put in a background. Control, send that to the back, and I'll fill that with purple for now, just so we can see the text. Right, now actually what to do is to fill this with the black, red and green. So what I'll do is select the fill tool, just drag down. I want the black at the top, so I'll drag up like that so the black's at the top. We'll get that green, I think, at the bottom, and immediately see it goes from green to black. You need red in there as well, so if I don't know if that actually clicked, I'll put that red. Then it goes, look, sorry, then it goes green, red and black at the top. So what I need to do now is zoom in a bit, otherwise what you need is to add some further handles to the fill. I'm going to click here. I'm going to fill that with black. I'm going to click here. Sometimes you have to zoom in quite close to get these fills to accept another point. Then I'll do that red as well, and finally I'll put another point down here and I'll fill that with green. Now what you've got to do is, because at the moment you've got this blend between a green and a red, which the original, so if we just go back to the original, has quite a sharp demarcation line. So I'll zoom in here. Fill tool, and I'll pull that green up like that. I'll pull the red down, down, down until you get a clean line like that. Similarly, this black here I'll fill down a bit. This red I'll move up a bit until you get that clean break line there. Go to the previous zoom. And I think that's pretty much how that fill works. So let's just go to zoom to page content, and it's pretty much the way you want. You'll have to adjust it, mess around if you want. Possibly the green's a bit too low in the bottom, but I'm just showing you how to achieve the effect. I'm going to select that text now, and I'm going to go Control K. That's Control plus K to clone it, and I'm going to give this a white color, and it'll replace all. So we've now got this white text, and I'm going to go Control Shift B, and that just sends it back sends it back behind the first set of tricolored text. And then we select the good old contour tool and just move it out like that. What type of... I need a sharp edge one, and you'll need to just mess around a bit, pull it back in like about there, I reckon, and hit the inset tool. So there, now you've got the, if I fill that in as black now, you've got the white edge that you had previously on this one here. Now the only other thing is he's got highlights here. It's highlighted white on here and it's dark under there. So selecting the tri-coloured text, we're going to go to the bevel tool, and I'm going to give it quite a heavy internal bevel, and I'm going to make it rounded too, and I'm going to bang up the contrast to make that how you think it would work, and I think that's pretty much all we need to do. I think that is what you need. That's what you want, I hope. Anyway, this is Egg. All the best. Goodbye.